Alright, YouTubers. Tell me I ain't got blue paint everywhere. You look at this. I have been doing some bodaciously serious painting. This dude is blue. I mean, she blue inside and out. You check that out. Don't know how long it'll stay this way, but it'd be alright. This here be my boat. Yeah, buddy. She be blue. This here's a boat that Debbie Brewer or Papa Smurf, either one, would be tickled to death to drive it right in. She be blue. Yeah, Papa Smurf be proud to have this here boat. See you too. Y'all look at that. May not be no primo professional job, but it do me. I just want to give y'all a look. Then I get done with that, and I gotta give that time to set up good. I need to clean up that there old motor. That's the motor that was on here. Need to clean that up. That's a 15 horsepower Evinrude. Gonna be pushing that Smurf boat, that blue boat. Gonna be pushing that blue boat around. I think it'd be alright. Not quite the same color as my truck, but they both blue. I don't think it turned out too bad. I just want to give y'all a look-see. Hope y'all have a Merry Christmas out there in YouTube land. All my kiddies at school, y'all have a good one. I'll see y'all next year when you come back. Alright, I'll be there. Till then, y'all have a good one. Bye.